Okay guys, it's Sunday. The new car just got delivered. Let me show you what we got to work with. It's going to be amazing. Let's do this. New project, winter project, awesome project. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, it is here. The new car is here. It's right here behind me. Yay. Oh yeah. Some personal here so you can see me. It's so bright, it's reflective, the sun. But hey, there you have it, the new car winter project build. I think I already got a donor car sorted for sheet metal, the fenders, the light, the pillar, a windshield, the interior, the front spindles, the rear subframe if needed. I got a full little roller, get sorted. So hopefully, I gotta order those little pieces that hold the lights and order a new front bumper, which I might go CR, maybe something aftermarket, maybe even go wide body kit. I think that might be cool, or do some over fenders or something with it. We will see. We'll see what you guys want and see what I can budget and do for this build. But I'm pretty excited. First time owning a 4-cylinder rear wheel drive 2-seater convertible. I've never had a convertible before. First one. I've had other 4-cylinders that were over 300 horsepower plus. Kind of a first of a lot of things. Kind of roadster, convertible, 2-seater. And it's a Honda, because let's not lie, I do like Hondas. Okay, so that brings us to the next thing. I had a video chat with Jeremy and Ron from AutoSause. It's Jeremy from the Boosted Boys, who now got his own channel. And he's working with SP Tuning, YoungStatic, Hunter Tuning, I think Sketchy DA and a couple other people on the old interwebs YouTube channels are working on a Honda Non-Vtec build challenge, and since this is VTEC, it won't work. I do have, no, I got it, the other ones are VTEC. I've done VTEC head swaps, so maybe we can swap stuff back. But they video chatted me, Jeremy and Ron, and invited me to the challenge. So it's something I am considering for the winter. It'll be held in January, and I already have the perfect car on a budget that I think we can make, like, kill it. We could kill it. and be so fun to do. Into the Honda Non-Vtec challenge setup and go like turbo or something and just boost it, because I know the limitations were non-Vtec and 450cc injectors. I think that's it. I think there's a $150 buy-in just to help pay for a track, and we'll see where the track is. It's going to be in January, which is winter, so like Texas, Arizona, Vegas, or Florida I think are kind of the options, since it'll be warm enough to do. I definitely prefer Vegas, Texas, or Arizona to Florida, since that's about 35 hours away to Orlando for me. So that might delay or not make me eligible to be in the challenge. But I think I want to accept the challenge of the Honda VTEC challenge. And I think we could do something pretty quick. I already have like turbo drain lines and feed lines and adapters and all that kind of kits laying around. I have intercoolers, I have piping just laying around. The only thing I'll need to do is get a turbo manifold for this engine. I might swap out the intake manifold with the B16 that I got. And I just need to find a turbo to fit on it to work with this kind of setup. YouTube Honda Non-Vtec challenge. Let's do it. So I think I have enough to do it. The big time crunch would be, or concern would be time, since I am building my house at the moment. We just got the S2000. I'm still working on the Volkswagen, getting that done for the channel, and this car. So I know a lot of time will be going into stuff. But I think I want to take the challenge, and I appreciate Jeremy and Ron chatting with me. Shout out to them and all the guys wanting to participate. Hopefully this could just be fun, bring all the kind of building community together in the old YouTube, and do something silly with Hondas, because they're just fun and cheap to mess around with. So again, thanks for tuning in to this episode. Hope you like the S2000 and what we can do with it. Let me know in the comments what you think we should do with it in the Honda Non-Vtec challenge. Till next time.